The Venetian isn't just any pool, it's a masterpiece of design and fun combined. Picture this, elegant curves and freeform shapes blending seamlessly into your backyard, offering an oasis of joy and relaxation. It's where modern meets elegance, designed to transform your outdoor space into a haven of leisure and pleasure. Dive into comfort with our beautifully designed entry steps, positioned on opposite ends for easy access. It's all about making your pool time as relaxing and convenient as possible. The Venetian stretches a cozy 27 feet 2 inches, designed to snugly fit into your space without a hitch. It's the perfect addition to bring big joy to smaller yards. With a generous water volume of 9,500 gallons, there's plenty of room for everyone to enjoy. Plus, its smart design means you'll spend less time on maintenance and more time soaking up the good times. Whether you're hosting a lively family gathering, enjoying some quiet time, or simply looking to add a touch of sophistication to your home, the Venetian by San Juan Pools is your go-to choice. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.